Many women love wearing their hair in a ponytail, but most hate what a hairstyle does to their hair length. If your hair is middle length, a high pony turns out to be ridiculously short. And if you have long, luscious locks, you will just cut half of your length pulling hair up high. You can make your ponytail look much longer, and much more beautiful, using a simple 5-step hack. First, gather your hair as if you are going to wear it half up, creating the first ponytail. Twist and pin it on top, not to make it tangle with the rest of your hair. Grab and separate 2 sections of hair, on either side, near your ears. You will use these sections a bit later, to conceal the second ponytail that you are going to create next. Now, take the remaining hair and split it in half. Clip the upper part on top for now. Make a ponytail out of the lower part only. This will raise your hair a bit, leaving a spare space between your hair and your neck, which is very important if you want your long ponytail to look as authentic as possible. Use bobby pins to bring the central section closer to the center. Now, you can lay your first pony down. Untangle and distribute hair for a seamless blend. Take the side sections you have left, and bring them up, wrapping the base of your pony. This will create an elegant ponytail base, and will make your hairstyle look great from the sides. Your chic, long ponytail is ready. And it helps you enjoy a timeless hairstyle, not sacrificing the length, not using any hair extensions. Subscribe to our channel for more hairstyle tutorials and styling tips.